How to disable comment on Facebook post. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can turn off comments on Facebook post. So in order to disable or turn off comments on Facebook posts, first of all update your application. Now open up your Facebook account. Once you open up your Facebook account, this is how it's gonna look like. Now first of all, in order to disable comment, you'll need to post it. So I'm just gonna randomly post. Now once I'm done with this, tap on the post button right next to it. As you can see that the post has been added. Now tap on the three-dot icon, click on edit post. Once I've done this, you need to tap on the friends button located right on top. After that, you need to make it to public. Unlock this profile first of all if you have locked your profile. So once again, tap on the three-dot icon next to it and tap on who can comment on the post. Once you've done that, you'll need to select who can actually make a comment, or you can just go ahead and select profile and page you mentioned only. Now only the contact was actually been mentioned on this particular post will be able to comment on your post. So tap on the done button that you have successfully disabled your comment on Facebook post. So now no other user will be able to comment on your post apart from the users that is being tagged. So in this way you can disable comments on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.